Okay, so what's up, jesscateyeSQUAD? Today we're going to be showing you 5+ pranks you could do right now at your house. So, you'll say, oh, why isn't this made on April Fool's or March 31st? Well, because everyone expects a prank on April Fool's, so we're just going to do some pranks now, so they'll be like, it's not even April Fool's yet, and then they'll be pranked. Number 1. Okay, so this one is an oldie but a goodie. So it's the plastic on the toilet prank. You all probably heard of this one. All you need is some plastic. Let's go. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do with your plastic wrap, you're gonna open up your toilet to the bottom, the very bottom. Okay, so you're gonna stretch it out and place it right over. Kind of wrinkled like this. Don't do it. Also, right here there's a gap, but since we're just doing demonstration, we're not gonna fill them in. It's just you can get other plastic wrap and wrap it. So you're gonna want to make it tighter. Come on.
As tight as you can.
Pull it out. Okay, so you're gonna want to have the plastic on the sides tight and clean, so no one will notice. You place it on top, and then we have a demonstration right here. Oh my gosh, it's an emergency. I just woke up from the bathroom. I have to use the bathroom so bad. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. How's my landlord gonna deal with this? Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
Prank number 2. Do you know how your little brother or sister really loves Play-Doh? I'm going to be showing you a really good prank for them. You can add something in the middle. For this one, I'm going to add steak. Really cold steak. So, take out the Play-Doh. First thing first. You want to flatten it out as flat as you can. And then grab anything that you're going to put in the middle. It can't be too big. So I'm just going to rip this. I can't. Okay. Okay, got it. I'll put this in the middle. Try not to push it down too hard. Blah. There it is. Now we'll place it inside the can. There. Ready to go.
Also in that segment, we can hear right now there's toys. My baby sister's playing with toys right now. Okay, so I think I'll play with some Play-Doh. Sister's always getting my Play-Doh dirty. Steak! Hello, Number 3! That's my baby sister, okay? Number 3. This prank, all you need is some mayo or ranch and a female that likes to keep her hair fresh. Or males too, it's 2018. And then you're going to need a conditioner bottle that's empty, or you can squirt it out into a container. Or if you like to waste stuff, you can just put it in the trash. Let me just run into the restroom real quick so I can go get my mustard and my mayo. Okay, you got that? Now, you probably have some conditioner in your food pantry, so you know. Okay. We already pre-emptied this one. Well, I guess we can empty it somewhere. And then simply just mayo. And I want to tap it down so it's in here. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it now. You can do this with anything. It doesn't have to be mayo. It could be ketchup. Okay, we're finally done. It only takes like 2 minutes, I guess. And they go and they're like, oh, let me put on some conditioner. Oh, looks good. Looks good. Okay. What is this? Prank.
Prank number 4. So for this prank, you'll be needing a coffee pot and any color food dye and a Q-tip. I wanted to use black, but wait, too bad we couldn't find black. Okay, so do you know how most parents like to wake up and get coffee in the morning? Well, this time when you get coffee, their fingers are going to be all red. So what you want to really do is just put the food dye inside this cap. And then just rub it all over. And then you want to put it on this side. For this prank, you probably need a lot of dye.
And it also pays to wake up a little earlier before your family, right?
Mm-hmm. I've already kind of pranked myself. I've already got it all over my fingers.
Okay.
When you're going to put it inside, hold the sides instead of the thing. So I'm going to be using a glove for a demonstration. So for demonstration, my mom does not want to get her hands dirty. So I'm going to be wearing a glove when I do it. Ooh, some coffee. Ah! And then we're going to get your hand all stained. But the good thing, it's not going to come off for like a day or two. Prank 5.
Prank 5, my boys and gals. It's 2018. I can't prank like that. Okay, so this prank is gonna be a prank that you've probably seen before, but what we need is some string, a piece of bread, or anything really that will make your drink nasty, and any type of drink. I just chose soda. So the traditional prank was to. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna get a soda and then you would use Mentos, wrap the Mentos around with sewing string, which I have, and then you would put it inside, hold on to the side, cut off the remaining string, twist the cap on so when your friend untwist it, the Mentos would explode. Okay, so what you're gonna want is something kind of nasty that doesn't belong in a drink, like a piece of bread. You'll wrap your sewing string around it and put it in, and it's like, try to make it up here. You're thinking like, oh, but I can easily see that. When you hand it to your friend, do not like make a big deal and be like, hey, want a drink? Just be like, hey, I got you a drink, want some? And then just say, okay. I mean, of course you're not gonna share, just give them a new bottle, I guess. So what's going on now is I'm gonna screw it, take off this. So this is kind of fishy, this thingy. Also, there's gonna probably be some more soda. This one's pretty much gone. So what you're gonna do with the scissors is cut off this remaining piece of string, and there we go. Pranks it up. So he'll be like, okay. What just happened? Oh. Why is there bread inside my soda? Video, guys. I really hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you like the video, there's an 89.274 chance that I'll send you a pair of Yeezys. And if you subscribe, there's a 2% chance that you will scrape your knee today. So if you don't want to scrape your knee, so subscribe. Okay? So bye.